get a load of my hat. A little different. I wore it on that hike, but I wore it for weeding today. So it's August 4th. Really feels like we're August. I was just out in the garden. Oh, you'll notice this piece of corn leaf. What you might say, wait a second, why is there a corn leaf out there? Well, I'll tell you why. I don't know if you can see on the table. I have corn laying there. We're going to go back there and take a closer look. But I just did a whole bunch of weeding, and I did something a little different. This row marks the end of the potatoes. See all those dead vines? Those are potatoes. So I was weeding way down there. See, there's a little bit of cleanness down there. Yeah. And I found some potatoes. So I harvested some corn, or I noticed some tassels were brown. So I harvested 2 pieces of corn. So right over here, I cracked one off, and we appear to. Oh, there's a nice one in there. Oh yeah. Oh God. Okay, maybe I better. Let's do it. Yeah. Watch this. Corn harvest. Get a load of this. Yeah. 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 That's how it's done. Hard to believe. So the only reason I came out here was because I watered see all the dead leaves on the ground? I kind of abused the orange tree a little bit. I let it get dry, so I was a little more on the ball, and I watered it today. But get a load of this. Look at that gigantic watermelon. It's a monster. I can't tell if it's ready to harvest or not. I'm in the dark. I have no idea. Okay, we're gonna go back to the table now. We're gonna peel the corn, and we're gonna sample it. Wish me luck. Here we are. Get a load of this. Sitting down, very relaxed. Oh, look at that sunset. Oh my God, what an August sunset. There's the corn. But get a load of the potatoes. They were just laying near the ground. Okay, so now comes the hard part. I'm gonna put the camera down. Phone. Okay, good. Okay, here we go. Take off the hat. Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna do it. This is the first corn of the season. Wish me luck. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Does that look like a perfect ear of corn? Here's the test. We're eating it raw. I've been claiming all season that this corn is so special you can eat it raw. Let's see if there's any truth to that. Well, that was freakishly delicious. I can't believe how sweet that was. Sweet and tender. It was like unbelievable. Huh. You know, you hear about corn syrup versus cane sugar. And, you know, supposedly corn syrup is so damn unhealthy. I tell you though, the sugar in this corn is awfully good. Well, wish me luck. Hopefully I don't bring on a case of diabetes. Next stop, we're gonna cook a few. Bye. So, yeah, I peeled some potatoes. There we go. I'm peeling the potatoes, and look at that corn. 1 minute 45 seconds to go. Probably go a little longer than that. Okay, we're gonna eat everything. Bye. So here is a complete garden dinner. Potatoes, the basil and parsley, the cherry tomatoes, the lettuce, the corn, the lettuce, a complete garden dinner. I don't know if anything's going to show up. We've had a magnificent dinner. Got a little bit of the sky back there, the moon coming through the trees. A magnificent all garden dinner. Yes, the fireflies are, oh, I just saw one firefly. Very hard to see out there. Very hard. Well, okay, can we see any moonlight through there? Maybe. Maybe on the big screen the moonlight will show up. A little glimmer. Well, that ends a beautiful all garden dinner in the backyard in August. Ouch, a mosquito just bit my hand. Oh my God. Oh well, I got lazy, I didn't put on bug spray. Bye.